Hi everybody, I'm Eli Mesika from the oVirt infrastructure team, and I would like to talk about a new feature that enables you to set the external status for host and storage domain in 3.6. What we have in 3.6, in addition to this column that represents the host status, we have a place for the host external status that may be set by plugins or external components to indicate that there is some other problem on the host or master or storage domain that oVirt is not aware of. The same we can see in the storage tab. We have here the status of the storage domain, and this is the place for the external status. Now, to set the external status, we are using the external event mechanism that was introduced in oVirt 3.5, and the format is pretty simple. Actually, you can find it in the feature page of this feature. And you can see here, to set the host status, we have to send an external event, and the only difference is that here inside the host section we can put an external status and indicate the status. Now the statuses, the available statuses are OK, info, warning, error, and failure. So if we are sending the event without the section of the external status, it's a simple external status, external event. And if we are adding this, it means that we are saying, in addition to the external event, we want to set the external status to the given status. The same applies for storage domain. You can see here again the format of the external event, and here in the storage domain section we have the external status section with the specific status we want to set on the storage domain. Now let's see how it works. Okay, I have prepared here for the host, changing one of the hosts to warning, and I just will issue a call command, and let's see how it reflects in the host status. Okay, let's wait a minute. Here you can see that we have external status warning. It was set by the external event. Now let's set also this master domain external status to failure. So again, I will copy this call command and issue it here. And you can see that here the external status was set to failure. Just a comment about the host external status and the storage domain. When you are getting this by the REST API, you will get the external status as a property of the entity, either it's host or storage domain, but you cannot set it directly in a put REST command. oVirt will ignore it. You can set the external status only by raising an external event. Let's actually summarize this feature. If you want, you can see and read the feature page, and if you have any questions, you're welcome to ask. Thank you for being with us, and bye.